Welcome back to my channel, guys. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be making something totally delicious, amazing, and I'm talking about shrimp spaghetti. Something that you are gonna enjoy so much, something that you are gonna love, something that you are gonna simply love. If you wanna learn how to get this dish done, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. And if you like this video, please leave your comment and I can keep making more videos like this for you to enjoy. Let's not lose any more time, guys, and let's get to our recipe. Many times there are so many different ways that we as humans can go. Sometimes we don't know which way to choose. I want to encourage you today to trust yourself, your heart. It will never lie to you. It will always tell you the truth. It don't matter how hard the situation that you are in. It will always direct you in the right way, and it always will show you the things that you are wanting to see. The road is gonna look hard with many rocks, but I'm gonna let you know today that you have the strength and that you have the ability to overcome all of those obstacles to get your win at the end of the day. Keep working hard and don't wait for any human being to believe in you before you can believe in yourself. Trust yourself, believe in you, and everything and anything that you are wanting will be possible for you and the ones that you love with all your heart. Don't forget, trust yourself, believe in you, and good things will happen in your life. God bless you.
hurt me, it did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you
Guys, this shrimp spaghetti is ready to be served. Thank you so much for staying and watching one of my videos. I really appreciate all the support and the loyalty that you have been showing me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video, I hope you enjoy the music, I hope you enjoy everything, because I did it from my heart.